How to keep music playing while recording on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the Spotify application on your phone. The Spotify application is used to stream and listen to music, podcasts, and audiobooks. Users can discover new music, curate playlists, create custom ones, and follow artists to receive personalized recommendations. You are now in the Spotify homepage. Open any track from here. On this page, tap on the play button to play the music. After that, go back to the home screen. As you can see, the music is still playing. You can now proceed with other activities on your phone while listening to the music on Spotify. Now, open up the camera app on your phone. Over here, go to the video section below. And then, tap on the record button to start recording a video. Following these steps, you can easily keep music playing while recording on iPhone.